Hello and welcome to Mrs. Toys. Today we're going to be transforming 6 Disney princesses into beautiful mermaids. The first one is going to be Frozen Elsa. The first mermaid is almost done. We're just going to add some sparkles with some sparkling glue and also some white glitter. And Queen Elsa, the mermaid, is done. We're gonna put her on this undersea background. Just there. She's waiting for the other mermaids. We're not gonna let her wait too long. The next one is gonna be Rapunzel. And Rapunzel is almost ready. Let's add some sparkles. The second mermaid, Rapunzel, is done, and she's gonna join Queen Elsa right there. Next is Snow White. Nice colors. Let's add the sparkles. Snow White looks really nice in these colors. And she's gonna go next to Rapunzel. We have done half of the mermaids. Next is going to be Ariel. The Little Mermaid is done and she's absolutely gorgeous. We're going to put her next to Snow White. The next one is Cinderella. Cinderella has a really nice white and blue combination. And we're going to put her right over here. And now we're going to do the last mermaid. Belle's colors are also really nice. And here are all our 6 mermaids. All beautiful. We had Ariel, Belle, Snow White, Frozen Elsa in white and blue, Cinderella and Rapunzel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel, Mrs. Toys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.